on the wok. Chicken Chow Mein. Sizzle rating, 3.
Oil in, garlic, ginger, chicken in, keep it moving till lightly brown. Cabbage, carrot in, quick mix. Keep it crisp, keep it moving.
Noodles in, loosen strands. Fold through till everything's coated. Sauce in, soy and oyster. Pepper in, mix till glossy. Sizzle rating, 3.
Sprouts in, spring onion in. Final mix, quick check. We're done.
Chicken Chow Mein, Vice Edition. Glossy noodles, crisp veg. Walk and roll, Banana Patrol.
Subscribe, and I'll teach you street food without the street stress.